Hello, welcome to this is APA part two. This is you did some work, but we need to improve on the work you did. Okay, now I'll start with correcting your work. Okay, now so we can start with this way. Now the first thing, this one is not APA. APA is if it is etal is comma. This is not APA. APA should be comma. APA, this one should be comma. There should be a comma here, comma space. Okay, this is how we cite in APA. This is should be common. Then don't use sources that are older than 5 years. We have used a source of 1992. That is 31 years. That is strange. Okay, now this is how we format APA papers. Okay, so one, you select the entire text. So this is how we format. Then you come to Times New Romans. Okay, then it is font size 12. Okay, it is font size 12. Okay, but then usually then you come here to paragraph, you make sure it is justified. Okay, then first line, okay, indentation is 00. Then the line spacing from the previous line to the next line is 00. Spacing is usually double, but we have some papers that can have single spaced. Okay, so that is how we do it. Then okay, then you make sure that the font color is black for APA. So for APA, we don't have these spaces. So we don't have these spaces. Okay, then the references page is on its own. Okay, then the reference page was not properly done. So I would like to redo it using Google Scholar. Let me do Google Scholar so that I show you how we do references. We arrange references in alphabetical order. So this is Google Scholar. Then you cite. So we take this is APA. Now this is APA. Then references does not have the word full stop. It's just references. Okay. Then it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. The word references supposed to be here. Then you paste here your source. Okay, I shall format it later. This one is wrong. Then this one, I would like just to make sure it's you did the right thing. So I'll paste the source so that I'm sure you cited the right thing. Then you cite APA Simaton. Okay, now we arrange them in alphabetical order. S comes before M. So we continue with the sources. Then we have this source. This one is supposed to be one source, not two sources. But you copy pasted it in a way that it became two sources. It's supposed to be one source. Akarele is here. Now Akarele comes alphabetically comes before M, so it's supposed to be there. So this one you delete. I can remove it. Then we have this one. Now this source is B. This is the source. Botvin. Okay. So Dragab is in school. So it is this one. So this is Botvin. So B comes after A. So it's supposed to be there. So you can do away with Botvin. Then we have Baker. This is source Baker. Baker. Now Baker we cite. We come here, we cite Baker. That is Baker. Then we come here. BE comes before B also. Inakuja hapo. Which here, so we can do away with this one. Then we have Clayton. Clayton, I come here. I just want to be sure you cited the right thing. That is Clayton. Clayton. Okay, so we take Clayton. Now Clayton comes after the B's, so you place it here. Clayton. Now that's how you arrange your sources alphabetically. This one I don't know where you got it, so you can do away with it, including this text box and including this one. Okay, where is this thing? Okay. Now we are finished with it. Now after finishing with it, you come here. All APA sources should be justified, hanging intent, double spaced, then 00, like that. Okay, then they must be Times New Romans 12, font size 12, black font. Okay, so you can see your sources. Then this one, you make it to be centered. It's supposed to be also double spaced, 00, double spaced, centered. Okay, now that's how you do your sources. But then this one is not yet complete. Okay, so you need to have a cover page. Now, for a cover page, you don't have to, you can use samples. You don't have to do it from scratch. So you can come here, you open, and you take an APA cover page. So here we have an APA cover page. No, that one is not good. So let me get you another one. Let me get you an APA cover page. So for this one, you just get a sample of APA cover page and you'll be modifying it each time you have a paper, an APA paper. So you can close it, then you can come here. So you can push it down here so that you just paste the APA cover page. APA cover page. So you push it down there. Then you come here. Now here you will insert your topic. So you insert your topic, whichever topic. Then from there, you need to insert the headers. So the headers, you'll select page number, top of page, style number 3. Under style number 3, you'll select different page. Then on the first page, you'll write running head. Okay. Then here it will be title in capital, title in caps. Okay, then here it will not have the running head thing, it will just be your title, name of your title in caps. So you don't write again title in caps, so it will just be the specific name. If it's drug abuse, it will be drug abuse. Okay, so let's do here an example. So let's say you are doing drug abuse. So here the title in caps, here it will be drug abuse. Then here it will be drug abuse. Then you close the header. So it will be in this manner. You close the header in that manner. So that's what we mean. Now this is a complete APA paper. Now that's how we do the APA paper. Now that is a complete APA cited. APA. Okay. Now, in citing one author, two authors, I think you have done pretty well. So, the next thing that we want to do on APA is on, okay, this one, they should be spacing here. Okay, then you need to use Grammarly. So, you need to have a Grammarly software. So, we can see that your paper has so many issues. Your paper has how many issues? Let me see. Let me turn on everything so that we see how many issues this paper has. This paper has 58 issues that needs correction. Okay, so you can see this one needs correction, this one needs correction, this one needs correction, this one needs correction, this one needs correction. So this is how we correct using the software. So you come here, replace with this version, then you come here, it tells you that you come here in addiction, then you come here. So this is how we do the APA. I mean, this is how we use the Grammarly. So you need to run your paper in Grammarly because it has a lot of grammatical issues. These are part of writing. So you need to correct your Grammarly issues, and that's how we correct them. So you click, it gives you a suggestion. In most cases, his suggestion is right, but his suggestion is not always right. But I will say 98% it is always right. So you need to fix your paper. Okay. Now this is how we fix the paper using the Grammarly. So I'll stop it here so that you can fix it. So let me